I'm not fixing my hair today. Today I'm gonna try to explain props in 5 minutes. Okay, so are props are the things that we, well, the values that we inherit in the child components. Okay, so in this case, app is the father and getting props is the child. So if I do name equals Alejandro, like me, let's do it here. Name, it is going to fail. Why? Because this is not using name. So we can do a prop and then name. Sorry, we can take prop and then do a prop dot name. That will work. This is TSX. This should be props. The type of props, I don't know what's the type of props. Prop type should be props. Okay, let's just put any for now. Okay, so did you see? Prop name app is passing as an attribute the name Alejandro, and this thing is taking the props and is printing the name. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Remember destructuring? So destructuring is basically I can do this. So we have the props. The props is an object that has name as Alejandro. So I think this needs to be like, no, the problem is that this is not defined. Const object, and this has to be like this. Okay, equals. Okay, so this object has the name Alejandro. I can destructure object like this by doing const name equals to, const name with the curly equals to object, and that will take name from the object. That is called destructuring, and that is the reason why you always see the props not in this way. You see the props like this. You see the prop like this because you can do name, and then you can just write name, and this is the same. Do you see? So there are children props that we can use, like for instance, what if I do children just here? That's a prop that I'm gonna take from here. No, children. Okay, so children is going to be like children is going to be here, and I'm going to transform this into a open and closing tag component. So the children is children. See what you put between get props and the finalizing of the tag get props is children. So it takes children as prop and shows it like this. This is not very interesting in this way, but what if this is a button and the only thing I want between the closing and the open tag is the label of the button. So common questions. Are props editable? Editable? The answer is no, they are not editable. You cannot edit a prop. Okay? How do you change a prop? How do you change the prop of the father? Well, there's no real way to do that. The correct way will be to have a state here, and then you modify it in the child. The child modifies the state, so it modifies the state also for the father. So I hope you understood. I hope I explained props in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so not fixing my hair, and see you in the next video. Bye.